Hello, everybody. In the legal landscape of India, where thousands of cases await resolution daily, an unexpected culinary controversy has ignited the Indian courtrooms. The savory dispute revolves around the iconic butter chicken and dal makhani, two culinary masterpieces that have graced our dining tables for decades. Butter chicken, a worldwide favorite comfort food, is believed to possess the unique ability to elevate one's spirits. However, this beloved Indian curry, paired with the delicious dal makhani, is now at the center of a legal dispute between two renowned restaurant chains in New Delhi. Moti Mahal, a well known establishment, has taken the matter to the court, filing a lawsuit against Daryaganj, another esteemed restaurant chain. The crux of the issue lies in the battle for the title of inventors of butter chicken and dal makhani dishes. As two renowned restaurants lock horns for recognition as the true inventors of this delectable dish, this peculiar case sheds light on the diverse and often unexpected challenges that soaks India's judicial system. And amidst the myriad legal battles, this flavorful case has found its way even to the Delhi High Court. Join us as we explore the twists and turns of this unique legal battle, the curious case of butter chicken and dal makhani, where their flavors clash with the complexities of the judicial system. Moti Mahal, acknowledged for pioneering butter chicken, has filed a lawsuit in the light of some ongoing events. The legal action stems from Daryagan's assertion that it was their predecessor who originally crafted the renowned dish. This culinary clash has escalated into a legal dispute as Moti Mahal seeks to establish its rightful credit for the invention of butter chicken, challenging Daryagan's claim. How it all began. Moti Mahal is managed by the heirs of Kundanlal Gujral, while Daryaganj is operated by the descendants of Kundanlal Jaggi. The two Kundanlals, along with a third companion from Peshawar, jointly operated the Moti Mahal restaurant in Daryaganj, situated in the old Delhi area of the capital. This collaboration came about after their relocation from Peshawar, where the initial establishment of the restaurant took place following the partition of the country. Positioned in the legal arena, Moti Mahal asserts that the late chef Kundanlal Gujral, from its corner, is the true innovator of the dishes, justifying its right to the coveted tagline. Moti Mahal maintains that Gujral had been acknowledged by locals as the originator of these culinary delights since the 1950s. Furthermore, the restaurant chain emphasizes that the tagline, inventors of butter chicken and dal makhani, is an integral part of its unique brand identity, adding a layer of significance to the ongoing legal battle over the culinary legacy of these iconic dishes. In the legal action initiated by senior advocate Sandeep Sethi, Rupa Gujral, the daughter of Kundan Lal Gujral, and her son Monish Gujral have filed a lawsuit. They are requesting that the proprietors of Daryaganj be directed to cease asserting that they originated the two dishes. Furthermore, they seek a restriction of Daryaganj from maintaining the claim that Gujral served as merely the public face of the restaurant, handling front end management, while Jaggi was a chef credited with creating the recipes. According to the legal filing, the plaintiff's predecessor, the late Mr. Kundan Gujral, is widely recognized as the inventor of tandoori chicken, butter chicken, and dal makhani. Furthermore, the late chef Kundan Lal Gujral is credited with the invention of dal makhani. In the legal action, Moti Mahal claimed that their predecessor Gujral pioneered the first tandoori chicken along with the creation of butter chicken and dal makhani. Gujral is credited with introducing these culinary delights to India following the country's partition. The creation of Dal Makhani is intricately connected to the inception of butter chicken as he utilized the same recipe with black lentils, giving rise to Dal Makhani around the same period. They opened that initially Gujral expressed concern about the possibility of his cooked chicken drying out, giving the inability to store unsold leftovers in the refrigerator. Consequently, he innovatively developed a sauce to prevent the chicken from becoming dehydrated. Moti Mahal contends that Daryaganj restaurant inaccurately attributes the invention of the dish to its late chef Kundan Lal Jaggi. Moti Mahal asserts that Daryaganj's claim constitutes a misappropriation of its business goodwill and reputation. The legal dispute revolves around the alleged false attribution by Daryaganj, with Moti Mahal asserting that such inaccuracies undermine the established reputation and standing it has earned in connection with the creation of these dishes. In the lawsuit, the Gujrals are requesting 2 crore in damages from Daryaganj. They argue that the restaurant is endeavoring to deceive the public into believing a connection between the two establishments by asserting such claims on their website and other promotional materials. Daryaganj contends that the lawsuit initiated by Moti Mahal is groundless and lacks a valid cause of action. The butter chicken battle reminds us that behind every dish lies a story, and within every legal dispute, the soul of tradition is delicately preserved. Food enthusiasts and well wishers are staying tuned for the court's decision as it promises to unveil the flavorful history behind these iconic dishes in the heart of India's gastronomic landscape. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell icon, and sharing. Stay tuned for more informative content from Infomad TV.